Assumed to be the most modern city of India, Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka, is famous for its pleasant climate throughout the year. Bangalore, or Bengaluru, as it is presently called, is known as the Silicon Valley of India because of its role as the nation's leading information technology exporter. Indian technological organizations such as ISRO, Infosys, and Wipro are headquartered in the city. Bangalore is known as the Garden City of India because of its gentle climate, broad streets, greenery, and the presence of many public parks such as Lal Bagh and Kuban Park. Bangalore is sometimes called as the pub capital of India and the rock metal capital of India because of its underground music scene. It is one of the premier places to hold international rock concerts. Like the two faces of the same coin, Bangalore also has two faces, each unique and distinct from the other. While on one side, a common man works hard to his highest capacity to bring food to his children, the life on the other side reflects comfort and luxury.
This one was fine.
Yeshwanthpura is one of the busiest places in Bangalore due to the major railway station and local market. The environment remains saturated with the voices of bargaining of haggling customers, mostly lower middle class and middle class people, while the sweat of the poor vendors and the filthy surroundings pervades the air. Cheap entities and bargaining for lower prices keep the people oblivious to the nuisance and the disheveled surroundings of the place.
ये जो आपका जो मीन्स आप रह रहे हो तो यहाँ पर इतना गंदा होता है, इतना होता है, तो आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम तो होता है ना?
हाँ, इधर होता है।
वो क्या
प्रॉब्लम तो क्या वहाँ ये थोड़ा क्लीन नहीं करे तो
आने जाने में
आने जाने का थोड़ा मुश्किल है, इतना दूसरा क्या भी नहीं। वो बोले तो फिर आप करता है वो।
तो आपका दुकान कैसे चलता है? मीन्स कितने लोग आते हैं? आपका जितना सेल होना चाहिए वो होता है?
हाँ होता है, वो ऑटोमेटिक चलते रहता है।
कितने लोग आते हैं?
उसमें मैं एक आदमी हूँ अभी 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 उसको मैं एक जना हूँ आदमी हमारा बस है यजमान हमें 2 ही रख।
कितने लोग आते हैं रोज? ऑलमोस्ट
वो सीज़न में अब अनसीज़न है ना, सीज़न नहीं है, कम है, थोड़ा कम है, कम
है ना।
उसके लिए कितना है उतना वो उसकी एक ही आदमी को मेरे बराबर है।
तो अगर ये सब जो जगह दिखा आपके दुकान में लोग कैसे आते हैं?
ऐसा आसेगा
बहुत लोग आते हैं कि जो आप चाहते हो?
बंगाली आएगा,
अच्छा
किसी को
ज़्यादा बंगाली आते हैं या ऐसे छोटे? तो आपका जो ये छोटे दुकान है तो बड़े बड़े दुकानें होते हैं तो इसलिए तो आपका थोड़ा तो नुकसान होता है ना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो होता है ना आपका कि इतना छोटा दुकानों से आपका
हमारा रूम छोटा है,
रूम छोटा है,
इतने प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ इतने प्रॉब्लम है तो जो सेल आपने चाहते हो तो उतना तो सेल अच्छा नहीं होता है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम में
घर छोटा है तो
प्रॉब्लम है,
खाने का जगह नहीं है,
खाने का जगह नहीं है, हाँ
बैठे
के खाने का जगह नहीं है, हाँ
उसी का भी मेन प्रॉब्लम है।
अच्छा तो आप तो ऐसे दुकान छोड़कर नहीं जा सकते, हर वक्त दुकान में ही रहना पड़ता है आप लोगों को। पूरा सुबह से कितने बजे दुकान खोलते हो आप लोग?
7 बजकर
सुबह 7 बजे,
सुबह 7 बजकर खुला है
और रात में
11 बजकर
11 बजे बंद करते हो। जब सारे दिन दुकान में ही रहना पड़ता है कि कस्टमर के लिए वेट करना पड़ता है, तब को टाइम नहीं मिलता है कभी ऐसे घूमने जगाने के, उसको टाइम नहीं मिलता है, हर वक्त ऐसे ही रहना पड़ता है ना, बहुत दिक्कत है।
कस्टमर डील करता है।
The malls of Bangalore presents the advanced and the higher class of the city. The high quality products with high prices acts as a pains for the common man. However, college and high school students can be found hanging out with friends, watching movies and enjoying the atmosphere. There are lovable food zones and kids zones. People shop as a pastime and spend huge amounts without retort.
The metro rail service has taken off quite recently in Bangalore, as the principal transports are still buses, autos and cabs. But the views from the metro are truly amazing, as it allows you to watch the city from higher ground. The ISKCON temple is one of the principal tourist spots and is also the place where we find people from all the classes together. It also signifies the influence of religion even in an advanced city like Bangalore. The Kepegowda bus station or the Majestic bus station as it is popularly known is the largest bus stand of Bangalore and is located at the heart of the city. All the places of Bangalore are accessible by buses that leave this stand. Several footpath stalls including those for food are located near the roads, and Majestic being the principal transport hub offers enough business to these shops. But the people are also accompanied by the pollution.
So just tell us how many times a week or month do you come?
Maybe 2 weeks once.
2 weeks once.
Not for shopping and all, just come for to hang out.
With friends.
Yeah, with friends or family.
So you go for movies and
Not that often, maybe once in a month.
you are in college now.
Yeah, I'm in first year.
Which college?
UVC.
So
Do you enjoy here, or you like to go other places also other than this?
I enjoy it. I like that mountain thing. I just go and sit there. That my mind is relaxed.
How many times do you come here a week?
Around 3 or 4 times a week.
What do you do?
We spend around like 2 to 3 hours here. It's just like recreation to our mind.
How many times do you come for shopping?
Shopping like once a week, but then other times we come with our friends so that we can spend time and enjoy.
You are in school or college?
I'm a student. I'm from College.
So just tell us, how frequently do you come here?
Not particularly small, but any city we are visiting, we always visit the best of the mall over there, best of the items.
Oh.
And children enjoy it very much.
How frequently you visit this all types of in anywhere city? How frequent is this shopping and all?
At least once a week.
At least once a week.
Weekend especially.
Okay, thank you.
To decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, I got your hey, oh, now listen what I say, oh, oh. When will I know that I really can go to the well once more? Time to decide on when it's killing me. When will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to believe that I better not leave before I get my chance to ride. When it's killing me, what do I really need? All that I need to look inside. Hey, oh, listen what I say. Come back and hey, oh, look at what I say, oh. The more I see, the less I know, the more I like.